Despite the expectation for enhancements, Samsung's next Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be sticking with the same 5000 mAh battery and rapid charging capabilities established in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This revelation, revealed by famous leaker Sawyer Galax and repeated by Panda Flash, has disappointed prospective customers, who are advised to keep their expectations modest. However, there is a silver lining for those eager for enhanced battery technology. Galax said that the stacked battery, which was previously slated for the S25 Ultra, would now be included in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This denser battery provides more power without increasing size, but it needs a cooling mechanism to avoid overheating. It's worth noting that this isn't the first time Samsung has teased a stacked battery system, as one was previously reported for the Galaxy S24 Ultra but never materialized. The last battery upgrade in the Galaxy S line was seen in the S22 Ultra, which increased the capacity to 5000 mAh from the S21 Ultra's 4000 mAh. However, despite having the same battery capacity as the S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra outperformed other flagship phones in terms of battery life, falling just 1 hour short of the overall winner, the OnePlus 12, which has a larger 5400 mAh battery. Samsung is closely monitoring its manufacturing expenses to ensure that everything is in line, since Qualcomm plans to raise the price of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU. Despite the remarkable battery life of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, Samsung will need to concentrate on the power efficiency of the display and processor. Samsung may need to invest in cutting-edge battery technology for the S25 Ultra. This might have an influence on Samsung's profit margin, but based on early rumors, the firm seems to be more likely to prioritize updating the camera system for the S25 Ultra. Nonetheless, ICE Universe is already debating prospective hardware enhancements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or the lack thereof. The well-known leaker has claimed that the Galaxy S25 series may not get a makeover. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.